Hey, it's Mike with the 61 Beetle. Like or subscribe and help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Let me show you what I've got. I have been working on these, working on the doors and the gauges. So I have, as far as the doors go, I got my check straps. This is fabulous because this keeps the door from going too far. And I have the little rubber grommet. I had to put the E-clip underneath, and I had to, so the ones that I got, the screws were a little wider than the 61 door, so I had to take a Dremel and just go nyeh, nyeh, and just like widen it just by like a couple millimeters on the to get that to work. But now it works great. So I got my check straps in there. I got my black plastic or rubber, whatever that is, little hole covers. So it winds up looking much better. So hole cover, and then I have the rubber hole cover on both sides. That looks great. So that's the first thing. Still waiting on my hinge pins to come through. The other thing I did is I moved this thing down so that when I latch it, this is lower and my gap is better here on the left side. That was off. When I look here, I did the exact same thing here where I have my check strap rubber and the rubber, and I have this here. Looks good. I started wiring these gauges, so let's see what I've got here is this jumble of wires coming through, and I just want to show what I have actually working now, which is, say I turn on my lights, so I have the dimmer there on the fuel gauge, on the speedometer, and then look at these two. They do the same thing. They're wired in the same circuit for dimming. So that's my tachometer and my oil temperature. Oil pressure is going in there. I'm just waiting for that gauge to arrive. Over here, I have ammeter and voltometer, or whatever you want to call it. They're not wired to anything yet, but I love the fact that these are now working great. So the other thing I wanted to show is I wired my tachometer and oil temperature. So now watch this. If I start the motor with the right key, of course, so the wiring of the tachometer, you know, you have to do 5 wires. There is the plus and the minus for the light, and then there's the plus ground and tachometer to the coil. So all of those together. And now look here, shows 1,000. So the temperature is wired, but of course it's cold now, so nothing going there. So I brought in some wires that, you know, I'm not sure I'm going to transfer the wires over to these electrical gauges. I think I might just drill another hole and bring those in right behind there. So, but first 2 gauges that I've got here work. So that is my progress now. I'm just waiting. Today, supposedly, these hinge pins are going to show up, and then I can install these mirrors. But that's the progress.